Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our class. And we were learning our chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is Let's Learn Operating System. Okay, this was our chapter. So, we have already gone through it and we will learn more about this. Okay, so we have already gone through the chapter that what is operating system. And according to our book, we have you can see your book, it is written that. Uh, an operating system is the most important thing that run on a computer. Between the hardware and the software application lies the operating system. Unlike our family, in our home, we have our parents, we have our guardian to run a family. Okay, so same way, to run a computer, we need an operating system. Without that, it is impossible to run a computer. So the most important thing is to install the operating system, and we have gone through the several different types of operating system, like we have gone through Windows, then Mac, Mac operating system, then Linux. Okay, so these were our operating system. We have gone through it, and operating systems, uh, for to run a hardware or a software, what we need is the operating system. Whatever operating system we are installing now, suppose we have new versions, like today's at present we are having the operating system Windows 10. That is the latest version what we are using today. Okay, and Windows, basically we'll focus on Windows because it is most trending and it is very easy to use. So we will focus on Windows operating system, and we have already gone through it. So just a recap, I am doing a recap, and after that I will go through the chapter thoroughly. Okay, so we have gone to the Microsoft. Okay, MS, Microsoft, what we have gone is we have learned about Microsoft operating system. Microsoft have built in 1985. They have launched the Microsoft, they have launched the first operating system. Okay, and after that they launch, after every 5 years, 10 years, they started launching new operating system, according to their uh, convenient and according to our demand features what we need. Suppose if we need a better technology at present time, Windows 10 what we are using, it was launched in the year of 2015. Okay, so it from since 5 year we are learning Windows 10. Okay, operating system, we have Windows 10 here. So you will find in this operating system different types of software. You'll find that very easy to convenient. Okay, so this is your Windows 10. Okay, so same in the book you have, just go through it. In the page number 28, it is given Microsoft Windows. Microsoft created the Windows operating system in 1985. Okay, I have already told that they have created the first operating system in the year of 1985. Over the year, Microsoft has continuously updated. I told you they are updating every year. Okay, because it is a competitive market. Okay, they have to create a new advantage, new features to attract the people. If suppose Microsoft what they used to do in 1985, they were having the same operating system, then we might not use that. Some other company, other operating system we might be using, but due to the changes, the features that are available from the Microsoft, we are very used to use our Microsoft software operating system. Okay, so just go through it. Mm, Microsoft has continuously updated and released many versions of the Windows. Okay, as on September 2016, the most recent version of Windows 10, actually in some book it is given Windows 10 was launched in 2015, and in some book it is given Windows 2016. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, I'm not telling that this is wrong. You write 2016. Okay, now, others it was launched before that, before Windows 10 it was launched as Windows 8, Windows 7. These are the some Windows. Okay. Next was Microsoft Mac OS. This is the Apple version. What we are using in Apple notebook. Okay. So this is the Apple operating system. Just see, Mac OS was created by Apple. Okay. What we are using, Apple phone, Apple laptop. These are the Mac OS. It was launched in the year of 1984 as part of a Mac MacOS operating system. Okay, it is the second most widely used desktop operating system after Windows. After Windows, what we are using, Microsoft Windows, the second most used, what the most operating system what we use is the Apple Microsoft, Mac OS. Okay, uh, initially, it was named as Mac OS X until the 2012, when it was changed to OS X in the year 2016. These, with the release of Mac OS 10, 12 series, what we use uh, Siri in the Apple phone, or you can find that in the even uh, our laptop. Okay, so next was our Linux. This was the oldest time what we used to use. It supports many this operating system support many softwares and some official works, and it was one thing was Linux was very tough but very safe. Okay, just see, Linux is a family of open source operating system. It was open source operating system. It is a unique among the popular operating system. It was a unique. I told you, it was very uncommon. People were very means not convenient using that. Okay, uh, open source means that the operating system is free and available to people for modifying. It was very easy to modify anyone. Okay, so this was uh, our Linux. We have gone through we have learned about Windows desktop also. Okay, desktop. The main thing is in desktop you will find different types of icons, different types of features of Windows. That is my computer. Then recycle bin. Okay. Then my document, files, folders. Now files. Suppose you can see this, my computer is there, then recycle bin is there, then you can even see uh, files, folders, then start button, desktop background you can change. In the background you can, suppose I want to change my background. Even in Windows we can change our background. Suppose I want to put my family's pictures, you want to put your uh, parents picture, your pet dog pictures, anything, any screen, any suppose you want to give a beautiful scenery is there, you want to put it there, but it is very easy to put. Okay, so that is very convenient for the Windows. So let's go in the detail. My computer, it shows the information stored on the computer. It can also show us the location of the information. Means a computer, my computer, you will find everything. You will find the my folders. Okay, you can store their files, folders, then whatever is there, you can store there. Okay, so this is your what my computer. Then next is your recycle bin. Here whatever you delete, suppose you want you have a photo or what a video or whatever, you don't want that and you want to uh, delete that file. So what you will do, you will just click on the recycle bin and you will throw on the recycle bin and it will come as in the recycle bin and store. And suppose you want that file back, if you have not deleted permanently, you can even that what you can do, you can take it back, you can restore that file. Okay, this is the recycle bin that you will find in your computer. Then my documents, here you can it's a type of folder. Okay, and where you can store file, documents, music, movie, and etc. Whatever whatever you like to store, you can store in that file. Okay, then files, what are files? Files, suppose you have a PDF file, you are giving an exam, that you are going and submitting it, that is your files. suppose you have a movie, this is also a file. Okay, where this file you can store in any place. You can store in the folders, you can store in a open window screen, anywhere. Okay, then a folder is a container that helps to organize file and other folder. Suppose I have a screen, and if my whatever is there, my this is suppose this is my screen, and I have stored my files and folders here and there. I have kept one here, one there, one here. So I have kept in different way, and it is very untidy. What we can do, we can collect all these files, and we can collect together, and suppose I want to put inside a particular folder in a organized manner, I can put it there. So this is the work of a folder, that we can keep all the documents, everything in one, in a organized manner. Okay, then start menu you can see on the bottom side, okay, of a desktop, of the Windows screen. Whatever you have, you can store there. And this in the start menu you will find many options, like you will find control panel, you will find run option, then you will find all programs detail, or whatever software you have installed there, you will find it there. So it is very easy to use. Okay, just see in your book, page number 31, start button. This button is found on the bottom left of the screen, on the bottom of your desktop or laptop Windows screen. Okay, you will find on the bottom left hand side. When we click this button, the list that appear is called the start menu. When we click on this, suppose we have clicked there, and a button comes up, and these buttons, whatever is there, this button is your start menu. It provides a central point of access to program and perform other tasks. Means I told it is a central point, means whatever software we have installed, whatever things we have installed there, we will find this start menu. Okay, and we will have this certain settings over there. We can change the settings. Okay, it is upon us whatever we want to change it. We have different like you can find all the software, almost all the softwares and files. Taskbar. Okay, what is taskbar? Taskbar is another thing. Sorry. This bar is placed at the bottom of the desktop. Same, where you will find the start menu, same place you will find the taskbar also. In the same line. Okay, that line what is border, what you see on the bottom line of the desktop or a window screen, that is your taskbar. Okay, just read the paragraph. This bar is placed at the bottom of the desktop. At the left hand corner, the start menu is present. What we have learned already, start menu is present on the left hand side. At the right hand corner, there are shortcuts or speakers, clock, etc. Whatever shortcut keys we will find in this desktop, like we will find folders, we will find the softwares what I have opened, this all, then we will find the clock, we will find all the things whatever we can see. These are your taskbar. Okay, where you will find different things. So these are your all small parts. Okay, so this is very important chapter, because uh, based on this you will be in your higher classes, everything is there. If you go thoroughly from the class 3, whatever in the class 4 is there, everything is from class 3. Whatever you will find the files and folders in class 4, what you will learn now you will find in class 4. Okay, so students, it is very important chapter, and almost I have covered everything. Okay, so like what are the components, main parts of the desktop Windows screen, Windows desktop screen? You should write, you should able to write, like my computer, then you should there is a recycle bin, files, folders, then start menu, taskbar. These are the main components of the Windows screen, taskbar. Okay, sorry, desktop screen. So we have already come to end of this chapter. This was in our last class also we have gone through it, and but I have just revised all the chapter together. Okay. In the first class also I have given a video, second class also I have shared a video, and in this class I have made all together, and a complete video is there, so that in one video you can learn complete the chapter, you can summarize your everything. Okay, so it is I will provide for you all. The homework is exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your exercise, and you will submit this exercise in your Google Classroom. Okay, and I will upload in our next class. We'll discuss about the question answer, and I will submit all the question answers to the Google Classroom. Okay, so till then, thank you everyone. Stay safe and be healthy. Okay, thank you.